This question is asking us to find the tangent of ACB in the form of r plus s squared 3. So the tangent of ACB would equal to the opposite over the adjacent. So C is right here. Therefore, our opposite is 3 plus surd 3. And our adjacent is 3 minus surd 3. So now we just put it in. So 3 plus surd 3 over 3 minus surd 3. Now I'm going to rationalize the denominator. So I'm going to multiply it with 3 plus surd 3 to get rid of the surd. So that would give me 3 times 3 is 9 plus with 3 surd 3 plus with surd 3, 3 surd 3 plus with 3 over 3 times 3, which is 9, plus with 3 surd 3 minus 3 surd 3 and then minus 3. Now when we simplify this, it would be 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 6 surd 3 over 9 minus 3, which is 6. And 12 divided by 6 is 2. Plus with 6 divided by 6 is 1. So that would just leave me with surd 3. So our R and our S is 2. And our S is 1. Moving on to the next question, it's telling us to find the AC in the form t square root u, where t and u are integers. So now let me just draw the triangle from the previous page. So this was 3 minus surd 3, and this was 3 plus surd 3. Now to find AC, I'm just going to use the Pythagoras theorem. So what I'm going to do is square root 3 plus surd 3 square plus with 3 minus surd 3 square. And that would be square root of 3 plus surd 3 times with 3 plus surd 3 plus with 3 minus surd 3 times with 3 minus surd 3. Now we can just expand the bracket, so that will give me 9 plus with 6 surd 3 plus 3 plus with 9 minus 6 surd 3 plus with 3. So 9 plus 3 plus 9 plus 3 would give me 24, and 6 surd 3 minus 6 surd 3 is 0. So then you could write 4 multiplied with 6, and the square root of 4 is 2, so your answer would be 2 surd 6. So t surd u, so our t is 2 and our u is 6.